Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through an in-depth reality check review of Attio CRM, the hyper-customizable AI-native platform that has taken the startup world by storm. While traditional legacy customer relationship systems force you into a rigid container of leads, contacts, and opportunities, Attio operates like a blank canvas, giving you a full no-code development environment where you can build entirely custom data objects like investment rounds, creator partnerships, or product workspaces that map out your exact business operations perfectly. Out of the box, the system completely automates manual administration by continuously streaming real-time communication history from your connected email accounts while running instant data enrichment pipelines to automatically scrape missing job titles, funding rounds, and accurate company sizing metrics. With the launch of their highly anticipated workflow engine and the advanced Ask Attio artificial intelligence companion, teams can now seamlessly deploy conversational intelligence tools to effortlessly score leads, build automated email sequences, draft smart call summaries, and instantly triage high-volume pipelines directly from natural language prompts. The underlying interface is exceptionally clean, fast, and visually striking, offering highly dynamic Kanban and spreadsheet-style layouts that make general daily navigation feel completely frictionless. However, deploying Attio across a growing organization exposes a few major bottlenecks and financial traps that you must prepare for. Because it functions primarily as a flexible database architecture, it features a surprisingly steep initial learning curve, demanding significant setup hours to define your relational models before it yields any measurable value for your go-to-market strategy. Furthermore, Attio lacks comprehensive native marketing automation modules or dedicated help desks, meaning you will have to pay for and connect an external tech stack if you require deep outbound marketing campaigns or customer support ticket handling. Their pricing structure also introduces a complex and frustrating hidden operational expense, because on top of the base user tiers, which run $29 for Plus and $69 for Pro when billed annually, Attio meters all of its elite automated actions and advanced AI tasks through a restrictive monthly workspace credit allocation. If your team runs highly active lead enrichment workflows or dense calling intelligence sequences, you will quickly exhaust these default credits mid-month, forcing your business to purchase unexpected add-on booster packs ranging from $70 to several $100 extra every single month. Ultimately, Attio CRM is an incredibly potent, beautifully engineered database for modern scale-ups who need absolute data flexibility and deep AI workflow integration. But solo founders looking for a simple, plug-and-play outbound sales tool should brace themselves for high setup overhead and a highly volatile monthly bill. Subscribe the channel for more videos.